Hi guys, welcome back to English in Easy Mode. Today we have our second day at the laundromat, and before I started filming, I made a few changes. I made some upgrades. Look, Easy Mode Laundry. So I've renamed the store, and if that's not enough, I have a plant. I bought a plant, and now my store is beautiful. Okay, time to open for business. Let's get ready for all our regular customers who I'm sure are very happy with the work I did yesterday. Look at all the customers. They are flooding into the store. The customers are flooding in. They must have heard good things from their friends, or maybe somebody made a review on Google and they like that. Oh, I have a up says upgrading tools. Upgrade the wrench once. So maybe if I upgrade the wrench, I get some kind of achievement. Amazing. The wrench is upgraded. Let's check how the laundry is doing. Okay, this one is almost done. Put that in the dryer. This one is also ready to be dried. And now this one. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Is that? This guy looks like Donald Trump. Sir, are you by any chance the president of the United States? And he has the American flag tie. I think the developers were trying to play a little joke on us. Ooh, I did not notice all of these bags of clothing. I'm sorry, not bags of clothing. Baskets of clothing. Oh, okay, we're gonna have a lot of ironing and folding to do. Put these up on the table as usual. Seems to be all the same shirts that we saw in the first episode. Fold that one, and done. Get this one in the washing machine. And this is ready to be ironed and folded. Boom, boom, boom. Done. This person also only had 2 shirts. Folds, folds. Customer number 2. Here is your order. Okay, we'll just take care of folding and ironing these. Iron these shirts here. This guy had a lot of shirts. And then I think we have some clothes in the washing machines that are ready to move into the dryer. All right, got these folded. That's customer number 3. Here you go. I mopped the floor this morning before I started filming, and it's already dirty again. How is that possible? People don't even walk on that side. Oh, you're here for order number 1, I assume. Yep. Have a nice day. Oh, we have another order with pet hair. So I will use the lint roller after it's all done. Oh, another order. This is a busy day. I think I might make more money than yesterday, even. Okay, we have an order ready to iron and fold. Boom, boom. Okay. Iron the orange shirt. Iron the red shirt. Oh, that's it. A lot of small orders today. A lot of people have only 2 shirts. Alright, things are getting a little busy. The machines are getting full. I could buy more machines if I need to, but I think maybe tomorrow. I think today... Oh, and I got to level 4. I think today I will try to manage with just the ones that I have. Order number 5. Thank you. Have a great day. Mr. President, come back soon. I need money. Okay. Let's iron the blue shirt. We'll iron the white shirt. And then we will iron the pink shirt. Iron the other blue shirt. 5. 5 so far is the biggest order that I have seen. Fold this one, fold, and done. Number 7, okay. Here is order number 7. Please tell all your friends what a great laundromat I have. I will clean the floor later, but for now I have a lot of work to do with the clothing. Iron this one, iron this one. This guy really likes the red and the orange shirt. Fold, fold, fold that one, fold, and fold. Customer number 6 is back. Here you go. Don't forget to tip. Okay, let's get these in the washing machine. And then we will see what is ready to be ironed. This one has the pet hair. So after everything is done, I will use the lint roller. And we will remove all the pet hair so that we get a nice big tip. Number 4. Here are your shirts. Let's see. Lint roller. And almost done. Come on. Come on. And done. Oops. Luckily, it's almost 10 o'clock. Or 2200, as the game says. Which means the store will be closed. And when the store closes, then there's no new customers. So then I can focus on just finishing the orders that I already have. Order number 9. The guy with the pet hair. Say hi to your cat or your dog. All right, this one is ready. Iron that one. Another small order, just 2 shirts. Here you go, order number 10. Thank you for coming. Come back soon. Iron this one. All right. Fold the first shirt, fold the second shirt, and customer number 11 has returned to pick up their order. Thank you for choosing us. We appreciate your business. Oh, we have another order with pet hair. Iron the pink shirt, iron the other pink shirt. Fold them both as well. All right. Here you go, order number 8. Have a great day. Now time for lint roller. Okay. Okay, the store has officially closed. So there will be no more new customers, which is good because it has been a busy day. All right, order number 13. Good to see you again. Come back soon. Actually, let me get this in the dryer. And now we can iron. Iron this shirt, iron the orange, iron the white shirt. Fold. Okay. Customer number 14. Well, look, I have your order right here, ready for you. Have an excellent day. Okay, and then my last order is almost done. Well, that's done. Well, it's not done yet, but almost done. But while it's finishing up, we can clean the floor. And this guy better not leave any more dirt on my floor, because I just got it cleaned. Okay, be careful on your way out. Oh, bro. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna let that guy back in. Please, there's a mat here. Just dry your feet on the mat. It's just common courtesy. Okay. But I guess right now my business is new. I need all the customers and all the money that I can get. All right. Fold the last order. 2 red shirts, ready for pickup. Leave these here, and I will just patiently wait for my last customer to return. Make sure... Okay. Okay, finally. You're my last customer of the day. Have a good evening. Thank you for your business. And we're done. Whew. All right, that was a long day. Let's check if we have bills to pay. Yes. Pay the water bill, pay the electric bill. And let's check the daily profit. 15 customers. I think yesterday was 14, so we did 1 extra customer today. $64.50 from the laundry and $11.62 from tips. Total profit, $76.12. All right, and that is the end of day number 2 of the laundry store. I know it says day number 3 up here, but that's because day 1 was the tutorial, and there was only 1 customer, and it was very boring, so I did not record that. But we finished our second real day. Let's say that. Our second full day, and we did a good profit today. We made money. So I will continue day number 3 in the next video, and hope to see you guys soon.